Moving on with the functions of SCR. So we know that it lacks ribosomes, but it functions in lipid metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, and detoxification, and is especially abundant in mammalian liver and gonad cells. Means though it lacks ribosomes, it forms other functions like these, and these are very important. Means lipid metabolism, carb metabolism, and detoxification, and their amount is abundant in mammalian liver and gonad cells. But it also synthesizes phospholipids, abundant in mammalian liver and gonad cells. Because it synthesizes phospholipids, cells which secrete these products, such as those in the testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, have a great deal of SCR. Means the cells which secrete all these phospholipids, such means testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, these have abundant amount of SER. These cells, you need to remember that testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands are the major cells where abundant SER is present. Cells such as testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands. Next is detoxification. So the SER brings about detoxification in the liver, that is, it converts harmful materials like drugs and poisons and convert it into harmless ones for excretion of cells. Means if these products like drugs or poisons are ingested, then they are excreted out of the cell by going through reactions where SER comes to play its function. SER also is take parts in formation of organelles. Means the SER produces Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and vacuoles. SER is the main site where Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and vacuoles are getting formed, these organelles. It also carries out the attachment of receptors on cell membrane proteins and steroid metabolism. Now, in muscle cells, it regulates calcium ion concentration. Means in muscle cells where for movement calcium ions are needed, SCR is present and it regulates calcium ion concentration. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum also contains the enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase, which converts glucose 6-phosphate to glucose, a step in gluconeogenesis. Means SCR contains an enzyme named as glucose 6-phosphatase. This enzyme is responsible to convert glucose 6-phosphate to glucose, and this reaction takes place in the process of gluconeogenesis where new glucose is made. So muscle cell and basically lipid metabolism, detoxification, muscle cells, and in gluconeogenesis, you need to understand these are the major functions. Also formation of organelles like Golgi, lysosomes, and vacuoles also takes place in SCR. Enzymes like glucose 6-phosphatase. sorry. Next is